Seagulls. Look hungry. Seagulls, French fries. French fries. Oh, look at that, they go in the air just because they can see them. Holy moly, just from looking at, hey look. French fries. Holy moly!
What?
Dang, look at that, the guy stepped right on me. Holy moly!
Doug, look.
What the? Hey! Get off there.
2 more French fries coming up.
Oh, dang, these guys are hungry. French fries! French fries! Anyone else? Oh! Dang, I could have lost a finger. Oh! Oh, it's you! It's that guy. Oh! He got me. Can I try that again? There we go. There he is. Oh, I got it. Okay, you guys want to see a magic trick?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to show you a magic trick. I'm going to make a French fry disappear. Da 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 da. Oh, magic!
Oh my God.
Magic French fry. Here you go, Limpy. There it is. You want one?
Don't tease.
Here, come on over. That one's for you.
Give me some French fries.
Did he get it?
I'm gonna give